Say hi, baby.
Hey.
Hey. Say hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. Look at all our stuff, man. Look at all that stuff back there. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Woo! Arkansas. Woo! 3 more hours. We're out here at Pinnacle Mountain. Pickle Mountain. The objective is to climb that mountain. Where's it at? That mountain right there. That one. I think I can see my house from here. You ready to climb this mountain, baby?
This mom's about to be my bitch.
This mom's about to be a bitch. Yeah. You look like a genuine hiker, lady. You look like you're ready to go. This ain't your first rodeo. This ain't your first mountain.
It's not.
Man, I am so stoked to be out here in nature, out here in God's realm. We made it. You ready to go back down?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, that was pretty tough.
You almost just fell.
That's for grown-ups only, am I right?
No.
We hiked to the top of that bad boy.
Oof.
It was a big oof. High five. Nice, gnarly. That was awesome.
Yeah. So where are we now, Haley? In the Devil's State Park.
Devil's Den State Park, Arkansas, 2018. Wish you were here.
Echo! Okay, babe, far enough. A bat's gonna come eat you.
That's where we're going, baby. Oh, shoot! I tell you what, this would crush a scissors any day of the week. Pioneers used to ride these bad boys for miles. Oh, legendary. This guy's insane.
I've never seen anything quite wow. Yeah. See that guy? Look at that guy.
This guy's a loon. One of the best things about nature is you never know what you're going to see. That's why I always bring a camera, so I can find nature. Nature, it's a nature walk.
You can tell this is an aspen because the way it is. I wonder who made this rock so wet.
Wow, it's like Attack of the Fungus out here. You wouldn't want one of these suckers to infect you and turn you into a mushroom man. A lot of people smoking a little doobage out here, man. I don't blame them. A lot of places just smoke a little doobage, but not us. Not this time. Yo, baby, you looking like a thug.
Oh my gosh, no! Turn that around. I look like an idiot. It smells really bad.
It does not.
It does.
That's not bad.
It smells like stinky boy.
It does not smell stinky. It does not smell stinky. That's how I smell.
It won't get stinky.
It won't get stinky.
That reeks. I can't believe I put that on my head.
Stop.